pau khusus they try to red they bagi jingan ram cukup bangalayo ya ketika kusnam but ngai kuble ya ka RB YF ka balai yang ai ketika kusnam baru kinon yalam then regarding bad kajinya lan ti junga nashemba kamde ka besok nadu ka first enrollment jong stem Al-Hajar Arko nadu tu stem nama kade during that time kade pandemic so ni much bun kijing regarding bad ka pandle ya ka enrollment hadin ka dapat ngalayo ban interact bad ki KBI nang ki senior ENO CTO ma'am kijunga regarding bangayo ya ka national award ngahabyad lengba shibun ki camp national ro ngahable ki competition but during the competition ro ngahap face shibun ki challenging nama hapo jong ka second Meghalaya battalion himdon ka vacancy regarding but KSW then ya ka vacancy ro ngahaban fight banyo ya ka vacancy bangan yo ban aten ya ka RDC te deling ba ka jinya ram jong KPI but ki senior junga ngalayo ban rung ha ka RD hadin ka tapat ngayo ban le ya ka competition ha Jorhat but ki way ki group ki badai na po Kuwati nang Jorhat group te hadin ka tupat ngayo ngasya select kum commander jong ka NER directorate ha ka guard of honor te dalapo hadil hipat hang tiru kadon ka competition but there is a lot of partiality at the same time so hantiru lengba ka jingerap jong KPI ngala sya select hai guard of honor commander but hadin ka tupat ki let saka select jong ka all PM rally commander tengala sya select bat ngala yo regarding but ki command ki badi ki bayo ha ka contingent commander ki ladan na po jong ka is but ki bayo ha ka main commander kung banga ngayo ki padan so kat kum ka bangayo jintip ba ki ong bang ngadi mga iba gading bat kata kidon ki jela ki ba ki balawan na ka adi ki yo ban room direct ha jongki puli de but then the most thing is that we have to work hard by ourselves dangila long ki government ro kimla ban ai direct kam yani we have to face first a lot of challenges. We have to go through the interview at all. Tingin sayo kamasay ka bang ako aban ay ki para sambla baro ki ban ko jonga jila Meghalaya jungi berkum juru ya ka report jila report district ko aban ong bangi day banok ki ba trishdom wakat but ngashed ong kaway ka canteen ba if a boy can do why not with a woman so there is no difference between men and women this year ngala graduate so ngadang mood ban apia ban le ya ka SSB regarding ka special entry nama ngajon ya ka SSC ka benefit yang ban yo ban join directly ka SSB